Hey, how's it going? And I'm going to show you, this is just a super quick video on how to remove the first element of an array. So this is just in the code. There's nothing we really need here. Although here you'll see on the verse device I have an array, and you'll notice I just have the numbers spelled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The string values that are in an array called words. This was, I thought, a little tricky, and it's a little different, so that's why I wanted to make this video. Okay, so we just have our Hello World device. We have our array that you just saw. It's called words, and it's a variable, and it's composed of strings. And then I have the array, and then I have initialized it here with the 8 words, 1 through 8, right? Here, what we do is we do an if statement, and we reference the array called words, and then we go dot and then remove first element. And what it's looking for, this has to be called in the angle brackets, it's actually looking for the name of the element itself, which is different, right? Because usually what we're doing is we're deleting the index value, which then deletes the element. Here, we're actually deleting the element. We're specifically requesting remove this element, which is a little different. Anyway, that's how you do it, is you reference the array, then you type in remove first element, angle brackets, and then you type in the exact name of whatever it is you want to get rid of. In this case, it's a string, so we write in the string. Then what we do here is we just create a for loop. We go through new array, and we generate out this item, and then it'll print item. So what will happen here is we have our array that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what we're asking is it to remove the element 1 and then print out this new array. And what will we find in that new array? Well, we'll find everything except for 1, so it should print out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we can do if we actually want to update this array rather than go off of this new array, because this literally is a new array, the old array still exists, is what we would do is go set words equals new array. And then that essentially updates this new array. So then this array is gone, and we have, so here instead of going through new array, I could actually just go through words. So that's actually how we would update this original array. So we remove the first element by typing it in specifically in angle brackets. Then we generate this new array, and then we assign new array to words, which is our old array. So now this has been updated, even though it won't be reflected in the code here. And then we're just going to print it out. So when we print this out, what we'll see is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if that's what we see. So I'll go to build the code real fast, push those changes, and this will just take a second to look at. But it's a little different. I'm not sure if I would use this actually, but you'll see it in the next tutorial I'm doing is on arrays, so you'll see where this comes up. Not this one, but something similar to it. So let's go here, and I'll hit start game, and it should just print out 2 through 8. Yep, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's all I had for today. I hope you found it helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.